Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan ngayong December, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Baka dito na po yung unit na kursonada nyo. Lahat po ng unit na kasama sa aking upload, na check at na-scan ko na po ito. Available din po ito lahat sa cash, trade-in and financing. Alright, wag na nating patagalin to. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like at subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Marami pong salamat. Eto na po sila, nangunguna sa ating lineup. 2015 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 43,000 kms, price 458,000. Location Pasig City. Top of the line series, all stock, all original. Keyless entry na po ito, push start button, electric power steering, multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control. Maganda po ang sidings neto, mga upuan, naka all leather seat. Isa pang maganda neto, may sunroof na po ito, 5-seater capacity, clean and fresh, intact interior, well maintained and well preserved unit. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, bago po ang battery. Wala po itong oil leakage at wala pong overtaste history. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 142 Nm of torque. Ang ganda rin ng kulay nito. Sa naghahanap ng crossover dyan, stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Mga gulong makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Meron na rin po itong fog lights and daytime running lights. Sasakyan nyo na lang to, nothing to fix. Next, 2015 Mazda 3 Sedan 2.0 Sky Active, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 45,000 kms, price 550,000. Location Las Piñas City. Top of the line series. Sa naghahanap dyan ng Mazda 3 na sedan, check this out. Multi-function steering wheel na to, push start, naka touchscreen head unit, may reverse camera na to, all power and all power buttons are working well. Naka-leather na po ang interior nito, upuan pati sidings. Maayos at sariwa pa ang unit, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Trunk space nito all intact, may kasama po itong tools at makapal pa po ang reserbang gulong. Engine bay nito, guaranteed no engine issue, good running condition, no hidden defects. Available po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Outside appearance po ng unit, makinis, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, LTO and HPG verified. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. 2005 Nissan X-Trail 2.0X 4x2 automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 100,000 kms, price 298,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Naghahanap ba kayo ng below 300k ang budget na crossover? Eto po, well maintained and well preserved unit. May dashcam na po ito, front and rear. Naka touchscreen head unit na rin to, fresh in and out. Excellent intact interior, mga upuan nito naka all leather seat, 5-seater capacity. Solid ang under chassis, wala po itong unwanted noise. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, no talsik, no usok, no blow by. Good running condition ng unit, no issue. Naka 3M tent na po ito at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line. Outside appearance, smooth shiny paint, very presentable. 2020 Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.4G 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 21,000 kms, price 1,288,000. Location Pasig City. All stock, all original. Naka-keyless entry na po ito, push start, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. All panel gauge are working well. Check nyo po actual mileage, na tampered, mababa lang po ang tinakbo nito. Naka-Android head unit with navigation with auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. 6-speed automatic transmission with eco mode and sports mode. Naka-premium leather, upuan pati sidings. Good as brand new condition, fresh in and out. Under the hood, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 148 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Naka-Amaron battery na rin to, excellent running condition. Outside appearance ng unit, stock original shiny paint. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent, nakatutund alloy wheels at wala pa po itong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. May fog lamps na rin to, pati DRL lights. Must see the unit to appreciate. Next, 2020 Ford Ranger 2.2 XLS 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 20,000 kms, price 918,000. Location Pasig City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng quality na pickup, eto, good as brand new condition, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, clean and fresh, intact interior, all stock, all original din to, smooth manakbo at wala po itong kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 160 horsepower at 385 Nm of torque. Fuel efficient at subok na to sa pangmahabaang biyahe. Limited edition lang to, naka Rafter step board, makakapal ang mga gulong, nasa 90% trade line. Maayos Maayos po ang kulay, magandang pagkaputi. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent, very presentable. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. 2019 Nissan Navara 2.5 EL 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 29,000 kms, price 898,000. Location Pasig City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng sariwa at gwapong pickup, pwede nyo pong i-check to. 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, smooth driving, malakas sumatak, wala po itong delay, all stock, all original, naka 360 camera na rin po itong unit. Naka-registered po ito hanggang 2024, kompleto ang mga papel, may manual and booklet at may dalawang original key. Malamig ang aircon nito with automatic climate control. Meron na rin itong rear center aircon ventilation. Naka-all leather ang mga upuan, excellent condition. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 161 horsepower at 403 Nm of torque. Sa mga interesado, kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka full garnish set na po ang ilaw nito. May rain gutter, may steep board. Maganda ang kulay, wala po itong gasgas, walang din. Next, 2018 Toyota Hiace Grandia 3.0 GL automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 45,000 kms, price 1,250,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap naman ng Toyota Grandia na van, pang business, pang family na automatic transmission, all power and all mechanism are working well. 12-seater capacity, ready for long drive na po itong unit, clean and fresh, intact interior, maganda at maayos pa ang upholstery nitong unit, perfect to pang family use. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis, wala po itong tagas ng langis, naka 3.0 liter diesel engine that produces 134 horsepower at 300 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit ng actual. Kung may existing unit kayo, pwede nyo rin po dito i-trade in. Next, 2021 acquired Suzuki Ertiga 1.5 GLX automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 27,000 kms, price 768,000. Location Pasig City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng 7-seater na pwedeng ipasok sa Grab, eto po, top of the line series, push start, good as brand new condition, smooth and responsive transmission, malakas sumata, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control, naka Android touchscreen monitor, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Ang maganda dito sa Ertiga, maluwag ang second row nito. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 103 horsepower at 138 Nm of torque. Fuel efficient to at ready to use. Naka full garnish set na po ito. Naka two-toned alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Outside appearance ito, presentable shiny paint. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Sa mga interesado, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po para ma-assist ko po kayo. 2015 Honda Civic 1.8 modulo automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 575,000. Location Las Piñas City. Kung naghahanap naman kayo ng Honda Civic na below 600k ang presyo, pwede nyo pong i-check at i-consider to. Push start button na to, may eco mode and sports mode, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, fresh in and out, maayos po ang mga upuan nito, naka all leather, wala pong mga crack, excellent condition, first owner acquired, halatang alagang-alaga to ng owner. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina, naka 1.8 liter gas engine that produces 139 horsepower at 174 Nm of torque. Syempre, kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na andyan sa screen. Overall appearance ng unit, maayos, 100% wala po itong bangga at 100% hindi po ito binaha. Sasakyan na lang din to, nothing to fix. Next, 2015 Suzuki APB 1.6 SGX automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 53,000 kms, price 498,000. Location Digman, Bacoor. Top of the line series sa nagpapahanap sa akin ng Suzuki APB. All stock, all original, pristine interior condition, ice-cooled dual aircon, all power and all mechanism are working well. 7-seater capacity at mayroon na rin po itong captain seat. Malinis at maganda ang upholstery. Well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Maluwag ang trunk space nito. Marami kang mailalagay. Perfect to pang travel, pang family use. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung may inquiry pa po kayo at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Ending 7 po ang plate number nito, Thursday ang coding. 2016 acquired Ford Everest 2.2 Trend 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 69,000 kms, price 798,000. Location Digman, Bacoor. Ending 3 ang plate number, Tuesday ang coding. Sa naghahanap dyan ng Ford Everest Trend, check nyo po to, idol. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen head unit with reverse camera, 6-speed automatic transmission, excellent shifting, wala pong delay, electric power steering, all power, all mechanism are working well, 7-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan nito naka all leather, maayos po ang upholstery, clean and fresh, intact interior, used but not abused, private use only, not bank repo, ay parking sensor na rin to working, under the hood, naka 2.2 liter diesel engine, fuel efficient, that produces 158 horsepower and 385 Nm of torque. Superb engine condition, no issue. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Outside appearance ng unit, makinis, naka-ceramic coat na po ito, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Makakapal pa naman ang mga gulong neto, nasa 85% trade line. Next, 2017 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 CRDI, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 720,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng Hyundai Tucson na diesel po ang engine, na 700 ang budget, eto po idol, check nyo po ito, naka-Android touchscreen head unit na po ito, 6-speed automatic transmission, smooth shifting, walang delay, okay rin ang space ng second row na ito, maluwag ang space ng legroom tsaka headroom, clean and intact interior, maayos po ang mga upuan nito, at maluwag din ang trunk space nito, marami kayong may lalagay. Engine bay naman ito, malinis, wala pong oil leakage, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by, kasama rin po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation ulit na nasa screen, LTO and SPG verified, kompleto po ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer. Outside appearance ng unit, stock original shiny paint, makinis, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent. 2015 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 430,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another Ford EcoSport, top of the line series, push start, may parking sensor na po ito, 6-speed automatic transmission, naka-premium leather ang mga upuan, meron na rin po itong sunroof, 5-seater capacity, excellent and intact interior, smooth ang suspension at wala po itong kalampag, solid ang under chassis, 100% not flooded unit. Check nyo po engine bay nito, under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 142 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka-stock 16 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong nito nasa 85% trade line. Naka-disc brake ang harap nito at drum brake ang likod. Sasakyan na lang to, just gas and go. 2014 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4 GLSV 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 720,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Eto, another SUV sa naghahanap dyan ng Montero Sport, 7-seater capacity, 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, fresh in and out, intact and clean ang interior, smooth ang suspension, wala po itong kalampag, kasama rin po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Good engine condition, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. Mabuhay po kayong lahat and Merry Christmas in advance. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!